Ohm's law is one of the most fundamental principles in electricity and electronics. It describes the mathematical relationship between three key electrical quantities: voltage, current, and resistance. Understanding this law is essential for analyzing and designing any electrical circuit. Named after German physicist Georg Ohm, who discovered it in 1827, this law forms the foundation of circuit analysis. The formula for Ohm's law is V equals I times R. This means that voltage equals current multiplied by resistance. This simple equation connects the three most important electrical quantities in any circuit. The beauty of this formula lies in its simplicity and universal applicability to all resistive circuits. Let's break down each variable in the formula. V stands for voltage, which is measured in volts. Voltage is the electrical pressure that pushes electrons through a circuit. I represents current, measured in amperes or amps. Current is the flow of electric charge through a conductor. R stands for resistance, measured in ohms. Resistance is the opposition to the flow of current in a circuit. Ohm's law can be rearranged into three different forms, depending on which quantity you need to find. To find voltage, use V equals I times R to find current. Rearrange the formula to I equals V divided by R to find resistance. Use R equals V divided by I by memorizing just one form. You can derive the other two through simple algebraic manipulation. Let's solve a practical example to see how Ohm's law works. A circuit has a voltage of 12 volts and a resistance of 4 ohms. The question is, what is the current flowing through it? We are given that V equals 12 volts and R equals 4 ohms. We need to find the current, represented by I. To solve this problem, we use the formula I equals V divided by R, substituting our values. I equals 12 volts divided by 4 ohms. Performing the division, we get I equals 3 amperes. Therefore, the current flowing through the circuit is 3 amperes. This demonstrates how Ohm's law allows us to calculate any unknown quantity when we know the other two. Understanding the relationships between these variables is crucial. First, voltage and current are directly proportional. If voltage increases, current increases proportionally, assuming resistance stays constant. Second, resistance and current are inversely proportional. If resistance increases, current decreases proportionally, assuming voltage stays constant. These relationships help predict circuit behavior without doing calculations every time. The key takeaway is simple. V equals I times R. Master this formula and understand the relationships between voltage, current, and resistance. This knowledge will enable you to analyze and solve problems in any electrical circuit. Ohm's law is not just a formula to memorize, but a fundamental principle that explains how electricity behaves in resistive circuits. Practice applying it to different scenarios to build your confidence and understanding.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.